So today I'm going to take some shirts that I got at the thrift store and combine them, put them together. I found some t-shirts that I liked, but they were just a little bit too small. And I've seen a lot of people adding like a flannel shirt, the sleeves to a t-shirt. I've never done that, so I thought it would be fun to try. So these are the t-shirts that I got. This one, little Alice in Wonderland. And I found this flannel, this blue flannel, that I thought would complement the blue in the shirt. It's also got a little gray in it. The second shirt I found is a Guns N' Roses shirt. And I just found just a plain black and white flannel to do this one. This should be pretty straightforward. Should be a good beginning sewing project. And if you get your supplies from the thrift store or from your closet, then it shouldn't be very expensive either. So I'm gonna do the Guns N' Roses one first. So all I'm gonna do is just lay this t-shirt as flat as I can get it. And I'm just gonna try and cut a straight line on both sides of the shirt, cutting off the sleeves. Kind of scary. I want to try and make sure I'm cutting the same amount off the other side. It's completely open, kind of like a poncho. It doesn't have to be perfect. So I'm gonna set that to the side, and then I'm gonna get my flannel. Because for this, the sleeves are the part that I'm actually gonna use, the part that I need to keep, not the middle. All right. I think I might just follow the line in this plaid. Okay, here we go. And then here's my shirt. So you can kind of see how it's gonna look. I'm pretty excited about this. I'm going to put the fabrics right sides together. So in other words, I'm just gonna flip them inside out. And then I'm gonna try and line up the shoulder seam. And I'm just going to pin along the raw edges. So I'm going to go ahead and pin this and go over to the sewing machine. I'm going to do a straight stitch, and then I'm going to zigzag stitch over the open raw edges. So let me flip this inside out, or right side out, so that you can see the finished product. I didn't do the Alice in Wonderland one yet. I'm kind of going back and forth on if I want to make it like this one, like with a flannel, or I also had this scarf that's really cute, and so I'm considering maybe doing scarf sleeves. Let me know in the comments below. Do you think I should do the blue with the flannel, or should I do the Alice in Wonderland with the blue flannel, or should I do the Alice in Wonderland with the scarf kind of poncho-y sleeves? If you have some old shirts, or you just feel like making something quick and fun, I would really recommend doing this. Well, thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit the like button. If you'd like to see more of my videos, hit the subscribe button. Thanks.